Page 48, my fifth. Let's look it over. It's 2 lines long. The right hand's playing the first line, the left hand's playing the second. Okay. 4/4 time, so we're counting to 4 and we're counting quarter notes. Let's look at the hands here. Starting with your thumb on C, so you're in this position, you got some C's and then a G in the next measure and an F. Just make sure you know the names of these notes. In the left hand, you've got C's here, and next measure is a G and an F. Then you got a rest. Oh, that's cool. And then just make sure you know the names of all the notes. Then go back and add the counting. 1, 2, half notes and quarter notes and whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. See, a half note gets 2 counts and a quarter note gets an okay. So you go through the whole thing with that. And then go back and we add the dynamics. It says soft at the beginning. P, piano soft. You'll have to decide what soft is. It's not super soft. It's just soft, gentle. And that's the whole thing until you get to the last 2 measures at the bottom. You get an F for forte, loud. So that last there, loud there. Speed-wise, it just says seriously. Be serious, I guess. I don't know. I'm not in a real serious mood, so it's hard to play something. It's hard to fake a mood for me. It helps to be in the mood of the piece you're going to play, and some people are better at getting in that mood and others are not. Just be serious about it, I guess. And that's just generally the piece. Now, be careful on the name. This name throws people. Fifth, because if you read the words, you see the bottom, the Beethoven's Fifth. Well, they're referencing Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. That is Symphony number 5, the 5th one that he had published. And that famous interval that the whole first movement is based on is a third, an interval of third. So that's why it says Beethoven's Fifth is only a third. The Fifth Symphony uses an interval of a third. Let's try this together slowly. I'll give us 4 counts just to make sure you got all the right notes and rhythms in place. I don't do dynamics in these play with me, by the way. I'm just playing notes and rhythms. You need to put in the dynamics and speed it up if it needs to be and all that to make it music. You do that on your own. I really, in order to help you with that, I need you in front of me so I can hear what you're doing and I can give you the feedback, and I can't do that in this environment, so I don't even try and teach that right now. I just notes and rhythms, let's get that first, because if that isn't right, forget anything else. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2,